Alright, we made it to Colo-i-Suva Rainforest Park, and we are at the upper pools. We got up and took the local bus, which was a bus from Suva to Nassori, and it stops along Princess Road. Get off at the Colo-i-Suva main gate. So here's the upper pools. Probably not going to do any swimming, but everyone else is having a really good time doing it. Let's see what these trails have in store for us. They get back up. We're gonna keep going down that way, but this is the upper pools where people can hang out on the rocks and cool down in the heat. I'd say it's about 29 degrees, maybe 30. Oh wow. Oh, okay, that's deep. That's so cool. There are so many different species of plants here, so many epiphytes, so many ferns, which are my favorite, palm trees. Thank you. Thirsty.
It was the larva of a cicada, maybe, or it could have been a beetle grub or something. That's a seed. It just fell out of the tree.
Wow.
It's got like a big delicate paper.
That is amazing.
Reminds me of a maple helicopter.
It does remind me of a maple helicopter. Alright, we reached the end of the trail. I think we're at the road.
There's a big light there, so if you're coming up at night.
Yeah, if you're lost, follow this light.
To Waisila Falls.
To the Rainforest Lodge.
Pretty.
Wow.
Deep end 34 meters. That's a deep lake. Holy.
Wow, really? Brad, on the end of that palm frond thing is the red bird, the parrot thing we've been looking for.
Really? Frond with the flowers?
He's flying, he just flew.
Oh, yeah.
He flew.
It's on the flower, right?
Yeah.
I saw it. Wow. Two of them, maybe.
No, that's a minus. Well, that was an amazing day of hiking and having lunch and seeing the Colo-i-Suva Rainforest Park. Had a great day and incredibly excited to explore the rest of Fiji on our way back towards Nandi to catch our plane. Who knows what we'll be up to next? Stay tuned. If you like these videos, subscribe, hit the like button, all that jazz, whatever. See you later.